Hi guys, so as you can see, both my Redmi Airdots are working just fine now. You can see this red lights here as they are charging in their pod. But a couple of minutes ago, this left one was not working. I couldn't hear anything from it. I thought it was broken, and when I put it on the charging pod, it doesn't emit that red light. So I got worried about it, and I searched online for help. And what worked is that if it's not emitting the red light when you put it on this charging pod, you just simply press on this button, long press that for several seconds while it's on its charging pod, and after several seconds it should be good to go. Alright, so I hope you try that. So just a recap, if one of your AirDots is no longer working, like it's not emitting any sound and it's not giving off this lights, and you might think that it's defective, but it might just be a problem with its software. So you just reset it by placing it back on its charging pod, and then once it's inside its charging pod, you just long press on it for several seconds, and then after several seconds you'll see that it is charging again. You'll see the red light